Hey guys, sorry, you caught me vibing. Here's the super duper important message from Miss Coyle.
Thank you to Red House for these minutes with all of you. Every day I am grateful that we can be together learning in person. There's no denying that the COVID virus has presented the world with a challenge. We have been presented with a challenge. And each of us, each of you, will decide what to make of it. How will this challenge push your creativity, push your thinking, and force you to reimagine what's possible? I'd like to share a recent Nike commercial that dives deep into this very challenge. And as you watch it, please look for a scene, an image, or words that you can relate to. Please take a few minutes to watch the commercial now. As you finish watching the commercial, I'd like you to now take 2 minutes and turn and talk with a partner about the scene, image, or words that you identified and why. Please take those 2 minutes now. Life will be full of challenges. Today it's COVID. Tomorrow it will be something else. And I ask each of you to consider how you can embrace this challenge and the other challenges that will appear in front of us. And like our ASH mission, consider how you will make the world a better place because of it. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.